Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a natural hair deep conditioner for your business. If you are new, I am the CEO and founder of Lavish Curls Beauty, and for the past 5 years I have been selling top selling deep conditioners to thousands of customers who have noticed a difference in their hair care. So this amazing deep conditioner, I have the formula for it included in my ebook that you can use on your own business and resell it. So in this ebook, it's going to be teaching you step by step how to make the deep conditioner, the process, the steps such as water phase, oil phase, cool down phase. It's also going to be teaching you about the ingredients, so understanding why certain ingredients are used and the benefit of them for the natural hair. Also is going to be included a free vendor list that's going to help you know where to buy the ingredients, where to buy the packaging, all of that. So if you're a business owner and you don't know where to start with making a deep conditioner, this ebook is for you. It's simple, it's straight to the point, and it's very resourceful and helpful. And it gets sent straight to your email, so you'll have it just like that. So make sure you click the link in the description to get yours and get started on your natural hair care business. Bye.